For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, Lucknow University has issued a directive stating the university exams will commence from July 7th. Commencement of exams amid the pandemic and increasing number of COVID-19 cases has irked students across the state. Annual and semester examinations of state universities and colleges should be started after June 30, 2020. Necessary actions should be taken to conduct the examinations for the session 2019-2020 in higher educational institutions and to make the conduct of the B.Ed 2020 joint entrance examination a success. Exam centers will be thoroughly sanitized and entrance of all exam centers will be equipped with sanitizers. National Students Union of India took to the streets to protest against the state government. Members of the NSUI demanded students to be promoted without exams in view of COVID-19 pandemic. Several students have asked the government to postpone the examination, but in vain. Large number of students gathered in Aligarh and Lucknow demanding cancellation of examinations. Students demanded the university administration to cancel the scheduled examinations.
उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के जो मुख्य सचिव हैं उनके द्वारा एक निर्देश जारी किया गया कि 30 जून के बाद में जुलाई के माह में प्रदेश के राज्य विश्वविद्यालयों के द्वारा परीक्षाएं आयोजित करवाई जाएं। प्रदेश में कोरोना के आज 18,000 से ज़्यादा मरीज हैं और उसके बावजूद भी जो संख्या दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ रही है, लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार छात्रों को परीक्षा में बैठने के लिए विवश कर रही है।
Members of NSUI gathered in front of Aligarh University and clanged plates against each other. The students protested in this manner after their pleas went unheard by the government.
हमारी मांगों को लेकर के दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय, महाराष्ट्र की सरकार, मध्य प्रदेश की सरकार, गुजरात की सरकार ने छात्रों को पदोन्नत किया है और उनको बिना परीक्षा आयोजित करवाए ही अगले कक्षाओं में प्रमोट किया है। तो आज छात्रों के जीवन के साथ में जो खिलवाड़ उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार कर रही है, NSUI ने आज उसका थाली बजा करके विरोध प्रदर्शन किया है और जो बहरी सरकार है, जो बहरे अधिकारी हैं, जिनको कि छात्रों की पीड़ा दिखाई नहीं देती और सुनाई नहीं देती, आज उनको यहाँ से अलीगढ़ की सरजमी से हमने छात्रों की समस्याओं से अवगत कराने का एक प्रयास किया है और अगर वो हमारी समस्याओं को नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं तो हम आगे भी पूरे प्रदेश में इन मांगों को लेकर के अपना आंदोलन जारी रखेंगे।
Members of NSUI also staged a protest in front of the Lucknow University demanding cancellation of examination. Students allege that their constant pleas have gone unheard by the state administration. The protesting students were seen raising slogans against the state government. The police, who were called in, took the protesting students into custody. The protesting students were taken to the police station amid protests. Earlier, a section of students had also made a similar demand. The Lucknow University Associated College Teachers Association President said it would not be possible to follow safety norms. It would not be possible to follow safety norms while carrying out the examination process for over 1.5 lakh students who are not only from the city but also from other parts of the state. From frisking students to the handling of answer copies and invigilation will be a challenge. As of Wednesday, Uttar Pradesh has reported 18,893 COVID-19 cases, of which 6,189 are active cases. 588 deaths have been reported in Uttar Pradesh alone due to coronavirus.